Ever wondered how airlines, travel agencies, and tour operators work seamlessly to make your travel smooth and hassle-free? If you love traveling and want to be a part of this exciting industry, a diploma in IATA UFTA could be your golden ticket. This globally recognized program is designed for aspiring travel professionals, giving you the skills to work with international airlines, travel agencies, and tourism companies. Why choose a diploma in IATA UFTA? The travel and tourism industry is booming. Did you know? The global travel industry contributes over $9 trillion to the economy. By 2030, international tourist arrivals are expected to reach 1.8 billion annually. The demand for skilled travel professionals is skyrocketing, with thousands of job openings worldwide. A diploma in IATA UFTA opens doors to high-paying, exciting career opportunities in one of the world's fastest-growing sectors. Course highlights. This program provides in-depth knowledge in airline ticketing and reservation. Learn how to book flights, issue tickets, and handle reservations like a pro. Global distribution systems, GDS, master airline booking platforms like Amadeus, Galileo, and Sabre. Travel and tourism operations. Understand how tour packages, visas, and holiday planning work. Customer service and airport operations. Gain expertise in handling passengers and ensuring smooth airport processes. International airfare and ticketing. Learn fare calculation, ticketing rules, and international travel regulations. And the best part? Many institutes offer hands-on training with real-world travel booking systems. Career opportunities after IATA UFTA. With this diploma, you can land exciting roles like travel consultant, help clients plan their dream vacations and earn 3 lakhs rupees to 5 lakhs rupees per annum. Airline ticketing agent, work at airports or airlines with salaries starting at 3,50,000 rupees annually. Airport ground staff, ensure seamless passenger handling with packages of 4 lakhs rupee per year. Tour operator, organize customized travel experiences with salaries up to 6 lakhs rupees annually. Customer service agent, assist travelers with bookings, visas, and more while earning 3 lakhs rupees to 4 lakhs 50,000 rupees per year. Major recruiters include top airlines, travel agencies, and hotel chains like Indigo, Air India, Emirates, Qatar Airways. Make My Trip, Thomas Cook, Cox & Kings, Expedia. With global certification, you can even apply for international jobs in the Middle East, Europe, and the USA. Eligibility and admission process. To enroll, you need 10 plus 2 qualification, any stream. Basic English communication skills. A passion for travel and tourism. Admissions are simple. Some institutes conduct entrance tests, while others offer direct admissions based on merit. Scholarships are available for meritorious students, making this course accessible to all. Best institutes offering IATA UFTA diploma in India. Bird Academy, Delhi. Speedwings Academy of Aviation, Kochi. IATA authorized training centers across India. Aptic Aviation Academy. Frankfurt Institute of Air Hostess Training. These institutes provide industry-aligned training, expert faculty, and excellent placement opportunities. Why wait? Start your travel career today. With the world opening up to more travelers every day, now is the perfect time to step into this industry. A diploma in IATA UFTA is your passport to a rewarding, high-paying career in global travel and tourism. So, take the first step today. Visit sulekha.com to explore top colleges, compare fees, read student reviews, and kickstart your travel career. Click the link in the description to get started. Your journey into the world of travel and tourism begins now.